explore. What is that noise? My sister and brother are babies. One is a girl and one is a boy. It is time for them to nap. But something is making a squeaky noise and keeping them awake. What is that noise? Let's explore to find the noise. The noise could be a toy. What toy could it be? Yes, it could be a toy that makes a squeaky noise. Which toy makes noise? A horn makes a squeaky noise, but no one is playing the horn. It is in the toy box, so it is not making any noise. Wait, I hear the noise again. It is coming from outside. Maybe it is the gate. When it swings open, the gate makes a squeaky noise. Poppy is putting oil on the gate. Oil makes squeaky things stop making noise. But listen, I still hear that noise. And the noise is getting louder. It's Benny's wagon. The wheels are making a squeaky noise. Do you know what can fix that noise? Point to it. Yes, Poppy's oil will fix the noise. I put oil on Benny's wagon. Now it is not making that squeaky noise. And now I hear a new noise. It sounds like this. Zzz. Do you know what it is? Enjoy your nap, babies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.